Meals to help you on your weight loss journey. Whole eggs? Eggs are one of the healthiest refection to eat if you are trying to attain or maintain a healthier weight. As a result of their high protein and fat content, they make you feel full. That is important because it can help you achieve or maintain a healthy weight if you pay attention to your body's internal wholeness and hunger cues. Chicken breast and some lean meats. Chicken breast and other lean meats are beneficial for weight loss due to their high protein content, low calorie and saturated fat content, and nutrient density. They can keep you feeling full, reduce overeating, and provide essential nutrients while helping to create a calorie deficit. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables are ideal foods to include in your meals if you want to lose weight because they have high protein content, fiber content, and low calorie content. Leafy greens. Eating leafy greens like kale, spinach, romaine lettuce, chard, collard greens, etc. can be beneficial for weight loss. They are low in calories and packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which can help fill you up and reduce hunger cravings. They are also rich in iron, which helps the body burn calories more efficiently. Salmon is also low in calories and high in protein, which makes it ideal for weight loss. It can increase satiety and reduce calorie intake. Lastly, studies suggest that the omega-3 fatty acids in salmon can decrease belly fat and reduce the risk of chronic health conditions. Natural weight loss supplement. These natural ingredients have been shown to be effective for weight loss and can help to suppress appetite, reduce fat absorption, and boost metabolism. Natural weight loss drugs are typically made from plant extracts, vitamins, minerals, and other natural ingredients. We advise you to try Phone Gold based on our own experience. It is designed to suppress appetite and help the body burn fat more efficiently, leading to increased weight loss. Furthermore, it is made from natural ingredients and is free from stimulants and artificial ingredients, making it a safer option than many other weight loss medications.